Resilience. The ability to respond, absorb, recover, and adapt to an extreme event without failure, damage, or functionality disruption. Water is the most resilient substance on Earth, but we are pushing it to its limits. Water just isn't what it used to be. It's rapidly changing and evolving. Pollutants are worsening, regulations are tightening, water supplies are dwindling. Water is more complex than it's ever been. Climate change is creating bigger storms and more pollution. Population growth is outpacing the natural water cycle. Wastewater is a valuable and renewable resource that we don't take full advantage of. Wouldn't it be nice to go for a swim after a storm and not get sick? Wouldn't it be nice to reuse every drop of wastewater? Wouldn't it be nice to make less sludge? Wouldn't it be nice to protect our drinking water from today's most toxic chemicals? Conventional approaches have limited abilities and operating windows. We need better technologies that can keep pace with today's complex problems. Operators are frustrated with technologies that show little resilience. We all know membranes produce the highest quality water, but we also know membranes can be a pain to operate. Conventional membranes fail when stressed. Owners need membranes that adapt without failure to changing environments. We need owners to embrace membranes, not fear them. Water is resilient. People are resilient. Shouldn't membranes be resilient too? Imagine a membrane that responds, absorbs, and recovers from an extreme event without failure, damage, or disruption. Imagine a membrane with limitless possibilities. Imagine a membrane that customers want, not fear. Imagine a membrane that brings all water to life. Only now is this possible with SiC. SiC is made from natural sand. SiC is tough. SiC is different. Most importantly, SiC is resilient. Today's complex water problems need different approaches. All the water we have is all the water we will have. We need to stop applying the same old solution and expect a different result. It is our responsibility to treat, recover, and reuse water wisely. Today we share our story with the rest of the world. Our story is to inspire ourselves, our customers, and our industry. Our story is one of change, inspiration, progress, and hope. Our story is about resilience.